About solar system. Which is the largest planet? Jupiter. Which is the brightest and hottest planet? Venus. Which is the smallest planet? Mercury. Which is the nearest planet to Sun? Mercury. Which is the farthest planet from the Sun? Neptune. Which is the brightest star? Sirius. Which is the first planet to be discovered by telescope? Uranus. Which is the coldest planet in solar system? Neptune and Uranus. How many moons in our solar system? 171. Which planet has also longest valley? Mars. Which planet is still shrinking? Mercury. Which are outer planets in solar system? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. What was the only technically active planet in solar system? Earth. Which planet is called giant gas? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. How old is the world? 4.543 billion years. What color is the sun? White. What star color is the hottest? Blue star. What is the color of sky? Black, white, sky blue, yellow. What will happen when your feet in space? The skin of your feet peels off. How much earth can fit in the sun? 1 billion. Which planet that spins backward? Venus. Which is the biggest star in universe? VY Canis Majoris. How many dwarf planets in the solar system? Haumea, Ceres, Pluto, Eris and Macmel. How much miles sun away from the sun? 93 million. Why Mars is reddish planet? Red color due to presence of iron which oxidize in soil. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? The intense gravity of the black hole would pull you apart, separating your bones, muscles, nerves and molecules. How cold would Earth without the sun? Earth is very cold and temperature average about 57 degrees Fahrenheit. In 1 week temperature would be below freezing point. What will happen 5 million years from now, the sun will have grown into a red giant star and more than 100 times larger than its current size. What would happen if the moon exploded? The night sky would change. We would see more stars in the sky and also see meteors or ocean tides would be much weaker. Why is the moon grey? That grey color you see comes from the surface of the moon, which is mostly oxygen, silicon, magnesium, iron, calcium, and aluminium. What will happen in space if two pieces of metal touch? They bond together permanently. What will happen if you cry in space? Tears will not fall down due to loss of gravity. What will happen if Earth loses oxygen for 5 seconds? Severe sunburn, inner ear would explode, transport and electric would fail, the air pressure on the Earth would drop 21%. How much longer will the Earth last? This is expected to occur between 1.5 and 4.5 billion years from now. How much time to take light from the sun, Earth? Sun takes 8 minutes and 19 seconds. How much cost a most expensive NASA space suit? $12 million. How many moons in the Saturn planet? 82 moons. Which planet have super powerful winds? Venus. Which planets have no moons? Mercury and Venus. How much weight is the sun? The sun weighs about 330,000 times more than Earth. Which are inner planets in the solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are known as the inner planets. What was the first commercial soft drink that was ever consumed in space? Coca-Cola. How much astronauts can grow when in space? Approximately 2 inches, 5 centimeters in height. What was the first artificial satellite in space? Sputnik.